story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with these ratings. You are going to love the 2022 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.